Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2013 FX37 Infiniti. Start the car, push the brake. They have a code for air volumeter sensor, I believe the same car. I'm gonna try to turn the ignition on and see if really there is something like that, and we have to upgrade the computer to the latest software if in need. Okay, ignition is on. They have the code for air volumeter sensor. I'm gonna click on Nissan console 3 plus Nissan to see if we'll be able to communicate with the computer and see if there is any problem or there is any update for it. So first let's go to diagnose. Okay, is engine computer. Sometime when you want to do an engine, the car will pull out the information automatically. We are using this tool here, Nissan Mitsubishi Renault interface. It takes a little while before you can communicate with the computer. Charging system must be 14 volt at least. Let me put the window up. Okay. There is no code anyhow, but it looked like he deleted the code, so we're gonna go back home and we will go to again home, wait to be green and scroll down to programming configuration, and you're gonna follow the step. Click this and go to next. Be sure you have to have username and password ready. Okay, change this to Infiniti because it's it does 3 cars in this platform. Okay, 37 FX37. Yeah, FX37 you see here, and this car only 2013, 1 year. There is no more. So okay, the VIN number come up. Okay, say yes. Then we're gonna wait to see. Here is the car in the picture. Charging system 14, climate control off, system is working. Okay, number 4. You see, enter the VIN number and touch confirm. All the information is okay. Just say confirm. Now here we are waiting a little bit to see what you want to do. Engine. I click on engine. Programming the car for the latest software using console 3 plus. It have some programming course. So this is the one, 990. You want to save the information. Say yes, save it. Now read the disclaimer, and now we can go to the next level. Say yes. Now you see here part number reprogramming 6C. That's after programming. Right now is 6A, and here 9 out of 10. So what's gonna happen, I'm gonna click next. Here's the problem is you have to go down and get username and password, because if you don't, and internet too. Get the internet ready. If you don't have internet, you have to make it ready. You see here, so let me just stay with me. Let me see if there's hotspot there. Yeah, here. This is my hotspot. And then connect. I'm gonna put the password. I put it already. Say yes. Now I need the internet checking. You see my internet here become green, that means it's working. Now I have internet. Now I'm gonna go and get my username password. I will copy my password. If you see it, okay. Please don't use it. Okay. Okay, here now, go click next. Be sure the charging system is good. Everything is good. Click next. Okay, 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 okay. That means everything good. For example, if I put the AC on, you're gonna turn red there. Turn it off. Turn it off, it's gonna be green. So accessory must be all off. Now checking the network. Now he need authentication. You have to put username and password. You say you must have access to do that. So okay, I'm gonna put my username password in Twiddle. Hold on. I have to do Control V in order for you to do it. So now authentication is okay. In a few minutes, it say 10 minutes. Downloading the software, upgrading, programming, transmission control module, engine control module, radio, any module in the Nissan and Infiniti. This is a procedure that it's gonna take. After you finish, maybe it take you, now we have 8.9 minutes. This is how to upgrade all Nissan computers, whether the Nissan Infiniti and maybe even Datsun. I hear the fan kick in, but it's still working. Yes, I see the fan kick in and then stop. Transfer VI to ECU. The vehicle interface, the VI, which is this one, to ECU. Just be patient. And here it say programming VI is transferring the data to vehicle ECU. VI is transferring the data to vehicle ECU. Like if you are working on this one here and you wanna do a diagnosis, You have to touch the home screen to go back. You have print, you have camera, screenshot. Like what you're doing now, if you want to have a screenshot, why not? You come here and hold the screenshot one time. He took it already. Save it also if you want to save it. It's already there. I'm going to save it. And things is going. So anything that you do, you can save it. And then data record. There's a lot of stuff. And as I told you, each company has its own programming approaching system. Nissan have its own. Toyota have its own. Infiniti, Nissan has their own. Toyota, Lexus, their own. Mazda, it has its own. Ford, own. Range Rover, and Land Rover, they have their own. BMW, yes. Mercedes, yes. Audi, Volkswagen is one. Porsche has its own. And you name it. So I'm going to pause it to see what's going to happen. Okay, programming is finished. I will click next. If you have a problem with your G37 2013, which is a unique car, you want to upgrade your computer, check if there is an update. You may have to update it. Like now I'm performing the setup. It's done. Turn the ignition and say OK. System call performance. Ignition is on. Turn it off for 2 seconds or 10 seconds. Then turn it on. Then click next. Maybe you have to do the throttle body relearn. You can start the car. I push the brake. I'm starting the car. Then you say okay. Temperature is very low. 25 centigrade is no good. Everything negative, 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 because temperature is not okay. So I'm gonna do that ignition on, ignition off, 10 seconds. Ignition on, 2 seconds. Off, 10 seconds. Two-second on, off 10 seconds. Start the car now. The car is off, turn it off. The car is on, turn it off. On again. Okay, this is what I see. It's done correctly. confirm, home, set. Yeah, you disconnect the charger. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. I'll see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.